The Nikon Z 100A to 600mm lens is an impressive tool for photographers seeking a versatile zoom range reaching from 180mm to 600mm, making it perfect for capturing distant subjects. This lens is designed for balance and comfort, allowing for quick handheld shooting, which is ideal for dynamic environments like wildlife and sports photography. It delivers sharp and clear images throughout its entire zoom range, and it can be paired with Nikon Z Teleconverters to extend its reach even further, up to 1200 millimeters. The built-in optical vibration reduction significantly reduces camera blur, providing a stabilization effect equivalent to a shutter speed of 5.5 stops faster, which is beneficial for tracking fast-moving subjects. With a minimum focus distance of 4.27 feet at the 180mm zoom position, it is versatile enough for close-up shooting, capturing stunning details. The lens includes practical features such as a quick-release tripod foot, customizable control ring, and function buttons, all contributing to an effortless and efficient operation.